grenade ko lang siya na parang. So here's our hash brown. So ito yung binili namin kahapon sa Baguio, guys. Mga potato lang. And gagawin natin siyang hash brown. So, kinat ko lang siya ng ganito and binalatan ko siya, guys. And hinati ko lang siya ng paganyan. So, grenade ko lang siya na parang ganyan. Yung parang sa grate ng cheese. And then, lagyan natin siya ng all-purpose flour and ng breadcrumbs. But first, lagyan din natin ng konting cheese para kahit pa paano. And then, ang dami niya pala. Worry ako kanina. Kala ko ang konti and kukulangin. Pero madami pala siya. But first, lagay tayo ng all-purpose flour. Ayan. Guys, I think kakamay ko na. Naghugas naman ako kanina. So, naging ganyan na after kong pinaghalo-halo lahat ng ingredients ng all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper. Ayan, ito na siya. So, finarm ko lang siya, guys, as ganyan using my hand, of course, manually. And then, ipiprito ko na siya. Dapat i-ref pa natin siya, but we don't have time to ref it. So, ayan. So, ganito yung kinalabasan niya, guys. And yung iba, freebies ko para pag first day ng school year, pagpasukan is, yun na nababaunin ko. So, ayan. Guys. So, here's our hash brown. Tada! It's finally done. Ito yung sauce. Lagyan ko lang ng yung mayo, pepper, calamansi, and a little bit of sugar. And, yeah. Should be ang harap tape. Pero ayun. That's it, guys. So, guys, I'm already preparing yung mga things ko for tomorrow. Since tomorrow na yung start ng school year. Guys, ang funny, pero kailangan ko yan. Para sa headache, if ever man na mag-migraine ako. Ayan. And my bag's already ready. Nandito na rin yung iba kong things and inaayos ko siya. And of course, dahil tag-ulan na, we need payong. And yung uniform ko is prepared na rin. So, yeah. So, nagamit ko na rin to, guys. Inaglagyan ko siya ng alcohol. And this one is, refillin ko siya nitong lotion. So, madadala ko siya. Ayan. Morning, guys. Today is Monday. So first, kailangan natin ng coffee. And ang galing nito, guys, kasi sobrang nagdi-dissolve siya ng mabilis. So, ayos. Since umaga ngayon, mag-hot lang tayo. Okay. By the way, I'm wearing now my uniform. Guys, look at that. Nag-dissolve siya agad. Cold water lang nilagay ko. Ang galing. Our breakfast, we have itong fried rice and meatloaf. That's it, guys. So hello guys, I just got home kanina mga 5 something, 5 p.m. something, and it's already 6:33 and paliwanag pa rin siya. And these days wala pa kaming masyadong ginagawa guys sa klase kasi nga first week pa. So ayun, medyo maluwag pa yung schedule kasi wala pa kaming schedule, but I think pagdating ng second week mag-start na yung mga classes namin. Right now, quick update. Good morning guys, today is Wednesday and it's our 3rd day, and I just want to share this beautiful sunrise. So hey guys, today I'll show you my everyday simple get ready with my army makeup. So okay, so I use this as my powder and this one, tapos Happy Skins yung kanilang lip balm para ma-hydrate ang aking skin. And then ito yung usual na ginagamit kong lip piece. Ayan. Ayun. And hindi na ako ng lashes kasi meron akong lashes na ngayon dito pa din. Nilagay ko siya diba guys before first day of school, and hanggang ngayon dito pa din siya. It's from Babe Lash by Yuri guys, mga interested kung ano yan. And this one, may perfume, nasa mini ano siya, this is Omi Amethyst. Ayun, yun lang. Pero I have guys, itong Focallure na para sa lashes, what do you call this, yung mascara nila. Maganda to guys. Ayun. And yung containers, nagamit ko rin siya. Ito yung sa alcohol, and ito yung nilagyan ko ng lotion. And sobrang ganda and sobrang fine ng waist nito guys. Must try talaga siya kasi ang ganda ng quality. Ayun. First, let's put concealer. Sobrang useful guys nung binili kong mirror. Talagang magagamit ko siya. Guys, quick update. I'm not feeling well right now. May sinat ako, and at the same time, obvious naman sa boses ko that I have sinisipon ako. Ayun. And parang feeling ko every now and then nag-dry yung throat ko. So, ayun. Sucks kasi wala pang 1 week guys. Pero ayun, let's take some meds. Take the meds guys.